Hello, my name is RJ. This video is for Rob XRP. I thank you. Please let me know if you have questions or comments. Let's get started. Okay. So we are now currently looking at BTC USD. Okay, let's check BTC USD. Let me remove first this Fibonacci circle. So we'll check the weekly time frame, and our week this week is a bearish week. Okay, it's bearish. And if you are making a you are hoping to get a retracement to the upside, it will not happen because we have broken already the 0.236, the 46,538, meaning we have invalidated this chart of going up from this time frame. Okay, weekly time frame going up, it won't happen because it invalidated. If the retracement only reach 0.382, then there will be a possible good retracement to our golden ratio, this 1.618. So we can hit this one, golden ratio, but no, it's invalidated already. And I also want to give you a technical analysis from a Fibonacci circle. I want you to make money from this, okay? And once you make money from this, don't forget to tip me for my Christmas, okay? So let us all make money from this coming Bitcoin crash. Are you ready? When will it happen? The Fibonacci circle gives us a calendar, a date where big move happens. Okay, massive move takes place. Just like it predicted 2019 crash. Let me show you a picture. Here, this is the 2019 crash. The pump, the top, and then when it crossed the ring, then it dropped. The bottom will be the start of the pump. Okay? And now it is happening again to our Bitcoin. Okay, let me pull out for you FIB circle. So from top of the bull run to the bottom. So this is the FIB circle. Every time it crosses a huge move takes place. And for this one, it will be going back to the beginning. So it crossed, it went back. So now we are almost there. December 13. We are so close. So dump can start December 13, 17, up to 17, up to 20. Okay? So make sure your trades are all short. Okay? So if you want to ride this one, the target for this will be in, let's form a head and shoulder pattern. Let's go to 1 day time frame. So we are forming a head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay? So our target profit will be, let's pull the head and shoulder from top to bottom to here, 14,000. That is our target profit. If you enter trade in this area and short it, you can make money for at least 1,500% profit. Okay? So if you make money for this head and shoulder, Bitcoin crash 80%, then you can make money. from this trade. Okay? So this is almost there, knocking at your door. It's already December 8th. And it will be crossing December 12, 13. So once it cross, it will mark the next crash. Just like here, it will crash. The bottom target is here from the start. Okay? So that will happen very soon. So close. Okay? So I hope this income that you get here will be enough for your one whole year profit. That's why you prepare yourself for this massive move. Okay? The massive move for this Fibonacci circle. Okay? So this is from the weekly time frame. Let's delete it so that we can go on and move forward for the daily time frame. So yesterday, we were trading. Yesterday we were trading 4 hours time frame. I have my fund manager. So somebody is funding me. So we draw a rising wedge. You see this 4R? This is rising wedge. 1 hour. Look at it. It's rising wedge. Once it's rising wedge, the breakdown will be on the downside. Imagine how much profit we made from 51,800 up to here. Okay? The top will be 52,000. So since it went down already, our target profit will be here. This bottom. This one that I draw is from the if we make it like this from top to bottom, then our target profit only will be this one, which is already hit. Okay, the rising wedge, this will be your gap, and that will be your take profit, which is already hit. This long candle here is this long pole here is from this one, from the flag pattern, bullish flag. Okay, so I put it here. Or if it breaks to the upside, it will hit here. So since it didn't break to the upside because of the strong resistance in 52K, then it went down. Okay? So this is 1 hour time frame. Let's check the daily time frame for today. So what are we seeing here? We are currently in sideways. If you look at the chart, we are having sideways. So this is neutral. The candle like this is neutral. So meaning we are accumulating. Okay? We are accumulating for a massive dump again. Okay? So if you want to check from Fibonacci Retracement, here I already made a drawing. Here. So from top to bottom, we have already reached. Let me see the wick. The long wick touched already the 0.382. Meaning it's a good retracement already. So it touched 0.5 and then it touched 0.382. Meaning we are in the right path for our downtrend. Which is our target will be the golden ratio. 1.618. 1.618. 31,923. So this is our downtrend. But here, for the other chart, we can also here see in 4 hours time frame a bump and run pattern. But there is no breakout yet. We are forming a breakout. We are planning to have a breakout. But this is bump and run pattern. It's forming a V. here, V there. Okay? So bump and run looks like this one. So the bump and then the drop and then the run. Okay? The goal here is to break out this resistance. If we break this resistance, going back here, if we break this resistance and went up, our target profit will be from top to bottom. Our target profit will be 69,200. We will be back in the ball game. Okay? For the bulls. But if we don't break this bump and run pattern, then we will remain downside and we can expect in the near future, December 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, to have a massive dump for Bitcoin. Okay? So I hope all your funds are ready. If you are trading long, then you consider your position. You can deleverage to protect yourself because it will be a volatile week ahead. Okay? When will be the 13th? Monday. Oh. Interesting. It's already next week. I hope all your funds are ready for this massive move for the short. Okay? Of course, this is not a financial advice. Trade at your own risk. Do your own research still. Okay? So, let's continue. So, now for those who want to trade right now, let's go to 1 hour time frame. How do you trade this to make money? So, right now, it's forming W pattern. W pattern. So, if you have a W pattern, it's like this, sideways. So, if you have W pattern, your breakout price will be, we will be back again here, 51,500. Okay? This one is a strong resistance from our Fibonacci Retracement. FIB. So, it's a strong resistance. They have hard time breaking this one. Okay? So, we can break out here for our W pattern. Okay? Small breakout, but you can make money. If you enter here, 50, and then you sell here, 51,500. That's a big move still for scalping. Okay? So, W pattern. If it breaks. Okay? So, where do you place your stop loss? Sorry about that. Okay, where do you place your stop loss? You place your stop loss below. You can place it below here. So that you will not be 50,034. That's your stop loss. Your take profit will be here. 51,500 if it goes to the upside. So let's try to form a pattern here. If it breaks to the upside, listen. So we have touched already the 0.618, but it hasn't touched yet the 0.5 and the 0.3. So if we touch here, it's a good pullback and then go down again. Here we can see a cup and handle also for the downside. Let me show you what I'm seeing so that you can see it too. Because being a technical analyst is all about recognizing patterns. The more you spend time in the market, the more you quickly recognize pattern. Pattern is your friend. It doesn't need that you become a mathematician or you're good in math. You just need to spot the pattern. So this is cup and handle. This is the breakout area. So if we hit it, we will make money up to 48,181. Okay, so we will touch our golden ratio and then more. We can reach this 48,175. So this is for the shorts, the bears. Again, let me repeat, do not trade against the trend because you'll get wrecked. Okay, if the trend is downward, so don't trade against it. So look at the technicals for our trading view. It's already sell. Okay, so it's a sell, but not strong sell, but still it's sell. Okay, so whether you will trade the W pattern for short term, and then you get a fake out and then goes down again. Okay, because more probably it's forming a cup and handle. This is the handle of the cup. Okay, and this is the cup. So I hope you make money from this trade. Cup and handle pattern. Okay, if you want to know when to trade, let me tell you to trade between the opening of US stock market. Okay, whatever your time zone is, check the US time zone, EST, and then trade from their time zone. Okay, so it's 9:30 a.m. for them to open their stocks. Then you trade, because that 3 hours, 9 to 12 noon EST, will be the most volatile hour in the market. Okay, and always remember, every time the stocks move, the Bitcoin moves. Okay, because the US dollar is the capital of all currency. He is the head. Every money must be converted to USD. Okay, the New York is the financial capital of the world. So once it opens, everything will be volatile. Okay, so again, if you want to trade, just trade 1 hour per day. You don't need to trade for the whole day, and you cannot do anything anymore. So just wait for that most volatile day and focus your time there, and then after it, you leave the market. Okay, whether you are trading forex, crypto, or stocks or commodities, trade during that most volatile hour, 9 to 12. Even if you look at YouTube, you will see all the traders trading that the same hour. After lunch, then they leave and do what they want. Okay, so I'm giving you tips also in making money. And don't forget, if you want my USDT ID, Rob XRP will give you. Okay, so that you can also donate. Okay, when you make money for our big move, don't forget our big move. Okay, our big move for the Fibonacci circle. Let us all make money. All the best. Cheers.